हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम ये +1 क्लास के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं, रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन। वी हैव स्टार्टेड इन द लास्ट lecture 1 done, now lecture 2 on this chapter. Okay, introductions of the relations and definitions and other general things about the relation we have discussed. Now today we have to go forward on the exercise NCERT book exercise 2.1. Okay, now you will understand the relation, about the relation. I have told in lecture 1 everything. Now question 1, if x upon 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 upon 3 bracket is equal to 5 upon 3 comma 1 upon 3, if this equal to this and this, understand what is this? Ordered pair. Ordered pair, this ordered pair equal to this ordered pair. It means first element of this ordered pair equal to first element, because these are equal, same ordered pair, and second element equal to second. Find the value of x and y. So solution, equate that. Okay, equating the corresponding elements. Okay, what that? X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, first element to first element, and second element y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so simplify, 1 will go that side, so x upon 3 will be equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1, then this will be equal to LCM 3, 5 minus 3, then 2 upon 3. Okay, so x, this implies, so x is equal to 2 upon 3 multiply 3. 3 is divide, it will go in multiply, to cancel, then x is equal to 2, value of x. Similarly, this value of y, then y equal to 1 upon 3, number minus 2 upon 3 will go that side, right hand side, plus 2 upon 3. Okay, plus 2 upon 3, LCM, then 3 LCM, then 1 plus 2, 3, then it is 1. Okay, so y is equal to 1. दोनों आंसर आ गए, ठीक है। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y, डन। ओके, सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, okay, now what is question number 2? See in your NCERT book, if the set A has 3 elements and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Set A has 3 elements. Question number 2 means number of element in set A is equal to 3. Okay, and set B is given. What set B? Set B is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. This is set B given. Now asking find the number of elements in A Cartesian B. Find the number of elements in A Cartesian B. Find the number of elements. Find number of elements in A Cartesian B. Okay. I have told A Cartesian B means it is a relation from A to B. Relation set. The number of elements in A Cartesian B. So first find solution. What? A Cartesian B. First we have to find A Cartesian B. Number of elements. We know number of elements in A Cartesian B. How many? Number of element in A multiply number of element in B. That will come. So number of element in A into number of element in B. Okay. Number of element in A and number of element in B. This. So number of element in A Cartesian B will be equal to number of element in A 3 multiply number of element in B also 3. Count here 1 2 3, then 3 3 is 9. Answer. So this implies number of element in A Cartesian B is equal to 9. Answer. Okay. Clear this formula? Now after that I told this also. Now after that next question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is if G is equal to question number 3. If G set is equal to given 7 8 and H set given 5 4 2 this H set given. Find G Cartesian H and H Cartesian G. Find G Cartesian H and H Cartesian G. This we have to find. This I told you. Okay. G to H. Then solution G Cartesian H is the relation from G to H. Okay. G to H means first element of ordered pair will be from G and second element in ordered pair will be from H. So 7, 5 ordered pair set. This 7, 5 first ordered pair, second 7, 4 third ordered pair 7, 2 next 8 associated to each one, then 8, 5 then 8, 4 next 8, 2 all completed. Now how many elements are there in this relation set G Cartesian H? A1 2 3 4 5 6 element, and you check here how many element? 2. Here how many element? 3. So multiply of both 2 3 is 6. The number of element in G Cartesian H is 6. Now H Cartesian G. Okay. Now H Cartesian G. It is a relation from H to G. ठीक है. We can write this like this. We can write like this. That it is the relation such that from H to G. Okay. This means this, and this means it is the relation such that from G to H. This. Okay. First set here G, here first set H. So from H to G we have to make now the ordered pair of this relation. It is relation set, and we are saying Cartesian product. It is, we are calling, I told in the first lecture. Okay. So now make H. H is this. Now first element in each ordered pair will be from H. पहला जो एलिमेंट है हर एक ऑर्डर पेयर में वो H का होगा, क्योंकि H पहला सेट है. ठीक है. और सेकंड एलिमेंट हर एक ऑर्डर पेयर में सेकंड सेट है आपका यहाँ G, तो G से होगा. सो 5,7 राइट ओनली फर्स्ट, देन 5,8, then 4,7, then 4,8, then 2,7 and 2,8. Completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are also 6 elements because 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So are these equal? No. Number of elements are equal, counting, but these are not equal sets. These are not equal sets because here 7,5, here 5,7. These are not equal. Okay. Be careful about this. Okay. Equal sets means as it is. Ordered pair must be same. Now done. Now next question. Question number 4. Okay. Now question number 4 is state whether each of the following statements are true or false. Question 4, true, false. Okay. So now first part in this, rewrite the given statement correctly. If any false, so we have to write correct. Okay. Now first, if P, first part, question number 4. First part is if P equal to Mn, if set P equal to these M, N, two element, and Q N, M, and Q set N, M, two element. See here, these are two sets. So are these equal? First question myself. M, N, N, M, are these equal set? Yes, these are equal because order not countable, element order. जैसे 1, 2 आपने लिख दिया 2, 1, वही दो एलिमेंट उसमें, वही दो एलिमेंट इसमें. ये ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में नहीं है, यहाँ तो एलिमेंट है दिस. ओके. सो दीज आर इक्वल सेट्स, बट व्हाट आस्किंग, देन पी क्यू इक्वल, देन पी कार्टेशियन क्यू, आस्किंग पी कार्टेशियन क्यू इक्वल गिवन M, N first ordered pair given m comma n, second ordered pair n comma m, n comma m, this given. Check here p, first element must be from p, तो p में m है, m कोमा n, m कोमा n, ओके. तो m कोमा n, तो m कोमा m होना चाहिए यहाँ पर, ओके. सेकेंड इज m कोमा n एंड m कोमा m and n comma n and n comma m, all these four, but here two. So this is not correct, false, true, false. So this is false, make it correct. So correct, correct. P Cartesian Q equal what? M comma n, m comma m, n comma n, and n comma m. This is now correct, okay, and this statement is false, and now this is correct. Clear? Now first, now second part, we have to do second part. What is second part? See, second part is, if A and B are non-empty set, A also empty set and B also non-empty, non-empty any set too, ठीक है, okay. A Cartesian B is a non-empty set, okay. Cartesian also non-empty, okay, of ordered pairs xy, of ordered pair xy. Cartesian में xy ordered pair से है, okay. यानी x belongs to first set and y belongs to second set, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Correct. So it is true. So second part is true. Okay. Second is true. Third part, if A equal to 1 2, B is equal to 3 4. Third part, if A is equal to 1 2, and B is equal to 3 4, okay, and A Cartesian B, third part, A Cartesian B intersection phi, then A Cartesian bracket B intersection phi, B intersection empty set, B intersection empty set is equal to empty. ये कार्टेशियन एम्प्टी है, ये कह रहा, देखो ये क्या है, B इंटरसेक्शन फाई, चेक, देन B इंटरसेक्शन फाई, व्हाट इज कॉमन एलिमेंट इन B एंड फाई? B इज नॉन एम्प्टी और ये एम्प्टी है, तो कॉमन, नो कॉमन एलिमेंट, बिकॉज एम्प्टी सेट के साथ कोई भी इंटरसेक्शन हो वो एम्प्टी होगा. तो सॉल्यूशन ए Cartesian B intersection phi is this, okay. Now this is equal to phi. अब check this, A Cartesian intersection, intersection of B and phi is phi. Intersection, because B intersection empty set is equal to empty set, okay. So this empty, तो A Cartesian empty set, no element, तो Cartesian in the elements only possible, so no ordered pair will come. So this is true, no ordered pair, so this is true. Okay, third is true, second is true. Now next is A is equal to -1, question 5. Next is question number 5. If A equal to -1, find A Cartesian A. Find A Cartesian A. Understand, here ordered triple will be one element of this Cartesian, because here three A Cartesian A, three sets, so three element association will be one ordered, and that one ordered pair not, because two not, here three are there, तो तीन है तो ट्रिपल, दो एलिमेंट यूज हो रहे पेयर, ऑर्डर पेयर, तो ऑर्डर ट्रिपल, बिकॉज तीन एलिमेंट मिलकर एक ऑर्डर पेयर बना रहे हैं. सो दैट्स वाई क्या लिखेंगे बेटा इसको, देखो ध्यान से, ए कार्टिजन ए विल बी इक्वल, दिस विल बी ट्रिपल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर, नहीं ट्रिपल ऑर्डर ट्रिपल एलिमेंट्स सेट, तो एक एलिमेंट में एक ऑर्डर में तीन एलिमेंट आएंगे. तो अब ये कैसे सीखो, यहाँ सीखो ध्यान से, जैसे -1 1 ये सेट है, फिर दूसरा भी -1 1, तीसरा भी -1 1, तो ईच टू ईच, तो कैसे -1 पकड़ लो, इसको इसका किसके साथ कर लो एसोसिएशन, -1 का -1 के साथ, फिर -1 एक बना, फिर -1 का -1 के साथ 1 बन गया. देखो -1 दूसरा -1 1 हो गया. अब तीसरा इधर से -1 1 1 -1 1, इससे 4 बन गए, 1 2 3 4, हम 4 इससे बनेंगे, तो कितने बनेंगे, 8 ट्रिपल, 8 आउटपुट, जैसे 2 2 2, तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए 2, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन अदर ए 2, देन 2, तो मल्टीप्लाई नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द रिलेशन और नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए कार्टिजन ए इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द रिलेशन, एंड दैट विल कम हेयर 8. हाउ मैनी विल कम, 8. तो नाउ आई टोल्ड ऑर्डर, तो लाइक दिस, -1, यहाँ देखो -1 -1 this each elements. अब -1 1 -1 दिस इज सेकेंड, हो गया. ध्यान दो, -1 1 ओके. अब -1 1 -1 ऐसे, फिर -1 1 -1 -1 दिस 4 बन गए। इसी टाइप से अब ये कंप्लीट हो गए, अब इसको पकड़ लो। ओके, देन कॉमा 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 सेम 1 1 1, फिर 1 1 माइनस 1 1 1 माइनस 1, अंडरस्टैंड, 1 1 माइनस 1, क्लियर। इस 1 के साथ अब ये 2 हो गए, अब 2 इधर से करेंगे, 1 माइनस 1 माइनस 1, ओके, 1 माइनस 1 माइनस 1, नाउ 1 माइनस 1 1 1 माइनस 1 1 1 minus 1 1, these are 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, be careful, you can check, all are different element, all are different element, and these are 8, you can check. Okay, all are different element, clear, important question. You can remember like this I told you order, ठीक है, clear. Now after that next question, next question number 6, if A Cartesian B if A Cartesian B is equal A comma x, A comma y, A comma x, A comma y, ordered pair given in this, B comma x, B comma y, B comma x, B comma y, this ordered pair given, find A and B, reverse set A and B, find, and A Cartesian B given, तो reverse process, find A and B, A and B, okay, find the set. So now we know in each ordered pair first element belongs to first set, पहला एलिमेंट हर एक ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का पहले सेट में है, तो पहला एलिमेंट ए बी बी, तो एक ही बार लिखा जाएगा एक एलिमेंट, किसी सेट में सेट चैप्टर कर लिया, कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट करके नहीं लिखते, ओके, तो देन ऑलवेज, सो वी कैन से सॉल्यूशन, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ए बी बी, तो मीन्स फर्स्ट सेट ए इज इक्वल टू ए कॉमा बी, ये फर्स्ट सेट हो गया, ए सेट, ठीक है, 2 एलिमेंट। अब सेकंड एलिमेंट ऑफ ईच ऑर्डर पेयर एक्स वाई, तो इट मीन्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं, तो एक्स वाई ही रहेगा, सो सेट बी इज इक्वल टू डायरेक्ट एक्स कॉमा वाई, this is the set B, done, clear, by observing direct we know, ठीक है, पहला एलिमेंट इन ईच ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बिलोंग्स टू फर्स्ट सेट इन द कार्टेशियन, and second element in each ordered pair belongs to that, and if repeated any element, so that for the set we can't repeat any element, we have to write once only one element in a set, we know in the chapter set. Okay, now next question, question number 7, simple questions, only definitions. Question number 7. Let A equal to 1 2. Let set A equal to set A is equal to 1 comma 2 and B equal to 3 4. P equal to 3 4. Question number 7. Okay, 1 2 1 तो 7 में 1 2 3 4. B is 1 2 3 4, not only 3 4. B is 1 2 3 4. This is set B in question number 7. C equal to 5 6. D equal also given. D set equal in question 7 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. These 4 sets are given A B C D in question 7. Okay, verify that. Verify first part. Verify first part. A Cartesian B intersection C. A Cartesian bracket B intersection C is equal A Cartesian B this intersection A Cartesian C intersection A Cartesian C. तो solve and check both sides. Okay, तो solve both sides separately and check both must be equal, then verified, then LHS. Solving LHS. Now A Cartesian B intersection C. So A as it is, first I am simplifying. A Cartesian B intersection C. B this set, C this set, intersection common. B intersection C, no common element. C here 1 2 3 4, here 5 6 we done in chapter 1. So empty set, no common, so this is empty. Okay, LHS. Then solving A Cartesian empty set, कोई एलिमेंट है नहीं, एम्प्टी है, तो एसोसिएशन कैसे होगा? एलिमेंट टू एलिमेंट, तो नो एसोसिएशन, नो ऑर्डर पेयर, सो इट मीन्स इट इज 5. Okay, RHS. Now in RHS, A Cartesian B. First find A Cartesian B and then intersection with A Cartesian C. Okay, now RHS. A Cartesian B, A this, B this. Cartesian means ordered pair relation. So 1 comma 1. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Write fast. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. One association done. Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Then 2 comma 3, then 2 comma 4, each ordered pair. Okay, this is your A Cartesian B. Intersection with A Cartesian C. A Cartesian C set A Cartesian C. A is 1 2, C is 5 6. तो 1 5, 1 6, then 2 5, 2 6. Now in these two sets, check here, no common intersection. We have to take intersection of these both sets, relation sets. So no ordered pair here common. Here 1 5 1 6, 2 5 2 6. No here 2 5 2 6, 1 5 1 6. So it means it is empty set. This is empty. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Hence verified. Okay, so like this we should do the question both sides separately. Like this question, simple Cartesian and then ordered pair set. Ordered pair are the element, so same element, then common, otherwise not, no common element. Okay, now next is question number 8. Let A equal to 1 2, let set A equal to 1 2, let set A equal to 1 2, okay, and set B 3 4, okay. Write A Cartesian B. Write A Cartesian B. Okay, easy to write. How many subsets will A Cartesian B have? List them. How many? How many subsets of A Cartesian B? List them. Okay, solution. ध्यान दें, A Cartesian B, first we should make, this is relation set, this is called relation set. Okay, relation set represented by R, ordered pair A to B, A Cartesian B, then 1 3 1 4. Simple, 2 3 2 4. This is A Cartesian B. How many element here? Number of element in relation set are 1 2 3 4. So number of, this implies number of element in relation set is equal to 4. Understand? Okay. So how many subsets of this set? Formula subset ka I told in chapter 1, 2 power n. Okay, total subset. So number of element of subsets, number of subsets, how many subsets are possible? number of subsets of A Cartesian B will be equal to 2 power n is equal to 2 power 4 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. How many? 16. Answer. तो how many subsets will be there? 16. But कह रहा list them. लिस्ट बनाओ सबकी. all 16 subset you should write. So how can write? In chapter 1 we have done, if any set 4 elements are there, तो how can write all subset? सिंगल एलिमेंट्स सेट डिफरेंट, तो 4 सेट बन जाएंगे. फिर डबल एलिमेंट के, ठीक है, डबल एलिमेंट के 1 2 3 4 5, ओके 5 ये बन जाएंगे. 5 + 4 9. फिर 3 एलिमेंट के 1 2, ओके 3 4 ये बन जाएंगे. 9 4 13, ओके 3 क्या हो गया 13. 4 का 14, एक और बनेगा itself 15, एक empty set 16, empty set also. So now write the list. Now list I am writing here. You see list, okay, list all the subsets. So first subset, list of all subsets. चार ये बन जाएं क्या? एक तो बन गया आपका 1,3 सिंगल एलिमेंट का. फिर दूसरा 1,4 सिंगल एलिमेंट. तीसरा 2,3 सिंगल एलिमेंट. चौथा 2,4 दिस सिंगल एलिमेंट. फिर आफ्टर दैट लिखते चले जाओ. पांचवा 2 के लेंगे. 1 3 1 4, 1 3 1 4, 1 3 2 3, then 1 3 2 4. 2 एलिमेंट का सेट, ओके 1 3 से हो गया, ठीक है. अब 1 4 से 1 4 2 3 देख लो यहाँ 1 4 2 3 कोई नहीं है, ओके. यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे आगे की तरफ. ये तरीका है 1 4 2 3 this 1 4 2 4 1 4 2 4 this, then after that 1 4 2 4. अब यहाँ से आगे 2 3 2 4 2 3 2 4. ये completed. How many these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ये बन गए 2 एलिमेंट्स लेकर. अब नेक्स्ट 3 एलिमेंट के 3 एलिमेंट 1 3 1 4 2 3 1 3 1 4, ओके 2 3 3 एलिमेंट, ओके. अब 1 3 1 4 2 4 1 3 1 4 2 4 1 3 के कंप्लीट हो गए, 1 3 2 3 2 4, अभी 1 3 2 3 2 4, 1 3 2 3 2 4, दीज 1 से शुरू हो गए, ये बन गए। अब इससे 1 4 2 3 2 4, 1 4 2 3 2 4, 1 4 2 3 2 4, 2 3 2 4, दिस सेट। ओके, अब 1 4 कंप्लीट हो गया, 2 3 से कोई नहीं बनना। ओके, डन। अब कितने बने? 3 3 के 1 2 3 4, 3 3 के 4 बन गए। ओके, 6 4 10 और 4 14, 2 रह गए, तो एक इटसेल्फ ऑल फोर यानी 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4, 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4, 2 3 2 4। okay, itself every set itself also subset, so all 4 element here in the last, and then empty set is also subset. Now these are 16. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and empty set 16. So these are 16 sets. Okay, total I told you what is formula, 2 power n. Okay, n is the number of element in the relation set. Okay, so how many sub relation we can say, in other word subset, 2 power n. Be careful, it is important formula, important question. Sub relations, how many all sub relations can be made? Subsets of a relation set. And subset how many? Number of element. If any relation is equal to n, then total subsets of a relation is equal to 2 power n. As here 4 element was there, 1 2 3 4, then 2 power 4 means 16 element. Okay, so number of element in this 16, we have written this. Okay, done. Now after that, next question, question number 9. Our time is over. Now question up to 8 done. In next we have to do forward. Okay, up to question 8 we have done this up to 8. Okay, done today. Now okay, take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel, and send to your each contact, share, forward the videos, daily videos you must forward. ठीक है, मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि सभी कांटेक्ट पे जाए जिससे वो इसको देखें। जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इधर उधर उनको पता नहीं है, उनको मिला ही नहीं कोई इस टाइप का, तो आप उनके पास भेजेंगे, बहुत खुश होंगे। ठीक है, जो कुछ अच्छे बच्चे इस टाइप के हैं कि उनको फ़ोन भी प्रोवाइड नहीं हुआ, घर पर फ़ोन भी अभी मिला है मुश्किल से, तो उनको आप भेजें तो बहुत खुश होंगे, वो देखेंगे और इसका लाभ उठाएंगे और उन्हें एक इंटरेस्ट पैदा होगा, क्योंकि ये मैं बेस से उनको समझा रहा हूँ, हर एक चीज़, हर एक क्वेश्चन, एवरी क्वेश्चन मैं कर रहा हूँ, तो उनको बेनिफिट होगा। तो ओके, से टू दैम, गाइड टू दैम के लाइक, शेयर एंड फॉरवर्ड, शेयर करते रहें, वो फिर आगे फॉरवर्ड करें, तो देन एक बेनिफिट मिलेगा, एक चेन मिलेगी। और सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में जो भी कमेंट है वो ज़रूर लिखें, आपका कैसा वीडियो लगा उसके बारे में ज़रूर लिखें। थैंक यू।